Simplifying expressions. Simplifying algebraic expressions means writing in another way without changing its value. When simplifying algebraic expression, we use the priorities of operations, identifying like terms, group like terms, and simplifying the terms. Let's remember the difference between the expression and equation. 3x plus 2 equals 5, and the difference between 3x plus 2, this one is an equation because it has an equal sign. This one is an expression. So we are going to work on such these sentences اللي هي expressions. Okay guys, let's move to another slide. Now 3x and x and negative 2x are like terms, whether it has a coefficient, whether the coefficient is 1, we don't write the coefficient 1 with the variable, and the coefficient here for x is negative 2, so those are called like terms. 2g minus 5g are like terms. X and y are unlike terms. Those are different. This is an x, this is y. Those are different terms. X to the power of 2 are unlike terms, and they are different than x to the power of 3 or so on. Okay guys? If there is no number before any variable, such as, let's say, x or y or x to the power of 2, there is no coefficient in front of these. Okay guys, those are not negative signs, by the way. So that means that the coefficient is equal to 1. So the coefficient of x here is 1. The coefficient of y to the power of 2 is 1. But remember, negative x, that means the coefficient of this number the same as negative 1x, the coefficient is negative 1. Okay guys? So again, such as negative y, the coefficient of y is negative 1. Let's move for some exercises from your textbook. Okay, those exercises are from page 388, questions from 6 to 10. And another group, this is from exercise 21G. This is from exercise 21H. I'm going to solve such as, I'm gonna pick this one, another one, this one, and this one. Okay, I'm going to bring an extra paper. Okay, the first question is 8. Let's take 6 too. Those are different exercises to work on directed numbers and to work with one kind of variable. Okay, and here is one kind of variable. Remember, the coefficients, I can deal with them as the same way I'm dealing with directed numbers. Okay, let's take question number 6. 9y minus 3y plus 2y. Okay, we have to concentrate on the coefficients of the variable y. 9y, take away 3y equals 6y. 6y plus 2y equals, the answer is 8y after simplifying this whole expression. Question number 8. Negative 16 minus 3 minus 4, directed numbers. Adding and subtracting positive and negative numbers, guys. Negative 16, go back by 3 steps, minus 3 equals negative 19. Negative 19, take away 4 equals negative 23. Question number 10. Those from exercise 21G from page 388. Question number 10. Negative 2x minus x plus 3x. I want to remind you guys that each expression, its signs, it's in front of it. So the plus goes back to the 3x. The negative 1x goes back to the x. The negative 2x goes back to this x. Okay, let's count them as we do the same process with the directed numbers. Negative 2x, take away x. Negative 2, take away 1, equals negative 3. Negative 3 plus 3 equals 0x, and there is no need to write down 0x. You can just leave the answer as such for 0 only. Okay, now from exercise 21H, let's take question number 5. Okay, 6x minus 5y plus 2x plus 3y. In this expression, we can notice that there is different variables, x and y. We have to put like terms together. What are like terms? We have to combine between the y's together. Remember the sign in front of the term. So negative 5y is going to deal with the plus 3y, and 6x. Remember, there is no sign, that means that 6 is positive. With positive 2x, we are going to put them together. So plus 6x plus 2x, that makes 8x. Now let's deal with the y's. Negative 5y plus 3y's, like the directed numbers, negative 5 plus 3, negative 2y's. So the answer, so for simplifying this expression, we put the x's together, deal with them as we deal with the directed numbers. Both together, they add up into 8x. The negative 5y and the 3 plus 3y together, they add up for negative 2y. So this is the solution for question number 5. Let's do question number 8. 6x plus 5y minus 2x plus 3y. Again, the like terms together. What does it mean, like terms together? The things that has x's together, the term that has y's together. Okay, let's highlight them with a different color. This is plus 6x. There is no sign, that means it's positive. Negative 2x together plus 5y plus 3y are together. Let's work the x's. Okay, so 6x minus 2x equals 4x, guys. Okay, and plus 5y plus 3y equals plus 8y. Okay, and this is for these questions. The rest, question number 7, question number 9, 6 and 7, try them by your own self, please. On your copybook, you can send me your work by taking screenshots for your work on your copybooks and sending them me as an inbox if you want to, or I'm going to manage in another way. I'll send it later to make the process so easier. Okay, the next slide is this page from 389, exercise 21H. We can see those are mixed between constants, and here such as negative 1 is a constant, plus 4 is a constant, and negative 11x, there is another term with a variable and coefficient, a negative coefficient, 9x coefficient, and the x is variable. We are going to work with these together. Remember constants together, like terms together. Okay, I'm gonna do as much as I can. Okay, let's start with the long one. Question number 18. So 18, I have 6x minus 5y minus 2x minus 3y plus 7x minus y. Okay, like terms together. X is together, y is together. Plus 6x minus 2x plus 7x. Those three are together. The next ones are negative 5y, negative 3y, and negative y. Remember, this is negative 1y. Okay, guys? Okay, let's put them together. 6x minus 2x equals 4x. 4x plus 7x equals 11x. The next term, don't write down here add or subtract, it depends on the other variable. Negative 5y minus 3y equals negative 8y. Negative 8y minus 1y equals minus 9y. So this is simplifying this whole long expression. Okay, let's move for another one that's mixed up with constants with two other kind of variables. Question number 21. Question number 21, 4x plus 3y minus 4 plus 6x minus 2y minus 7 minus x. Okay, like terms together. Remember, constants together, x's together, and y together, and those are constants. Okay, the x's. 4x, remember, this is plus 4x plus 6x minus x. Those are going to be worked together. Let's do them right away. Plus 4x plus 6x equals 10x. 10x, take away an x, the answer is 9x. Done with the x's. Okay, the next one. Plus 3y. Negative 2y. Is there another term with y's? No. So we're done. Let's work them. Plus 3y minus 2y plus 3 minus 2 equals 1y. 1 is positive, so plus y. Done with the terms of y. Let's go for the last one. Last ones اللي هم constants. Minus 4 with negative 7. Minus 4, go away another 7 steps backwards, which equals minus 11. So question number 21 is simplified like this one. So let's check 21. I'm gonna do question number 22. Okay, guys. Oh no, let's take 20. Okay, the circled questions, 22, 19, 17, and 6 are exercises for you to do them on your copybook, please. Let's do question number 20. Okay, minus 2z plus 3x minus 4y plus 6z plus x minus 3y. Three different variables with the z, x, and y, and let's put the like terms together, guys. Okay, the z's together. Let's do them right away. Is there another z? No. Minus 2z plus 6z, that means 4z. Okay, x's together. Okay, plus 3x and another 1x equals 4x. The last term is the y's, the last variable, minus 4y minus 3y minus 4 take away 3, that equals minus 7y. So this expression has been simplified. And please, again, do the exercises on your copybooks, and I will follow through your inbox messages or another way I'm going to mention in my email.